Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to Nailedit's 14th day challenge. Today, I'll show you two simple cherry nail art design. Let's apply our base coat first. I will also put the link in the description box below for all the nail polish that I'm using in these two designs. So let's start with our base coat, which is a blue color. I will also do a second coat for the same. Since cherries are in season right now, so I thought why not let's make a nail art on it. So here we go, these two simple nail art designs. I hope you guys will enjoy doing this for yourself. Now let's take a red nail polish. I am using a dotting tool over here. You can also use a toothpick if you don't have one. So we'll draw the cherries first. Take your time and place your cherry where you want to. Hello and welcome back to my channel Nailedit. My whole channel is about making your life easy when it comes to nail art. So be sure to subscribe, I would love to have you. So if you want to start your nail art journey, you are at the right place. I am posting new videos every day for a month, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. I am using a black acrylic paint, but you can also use your black polish, but I would recommend you guys to buy a acrylic paint of black and white, which are the basic, because they go very handy when it comes to nail art. So all I am doing is drawing a V shape or a line. And before we get into this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button right down there below so that I know that you're watching this and trying it out for yourself. In case if you don't have a brush, I have already made a video on how to make your own striping nail art brush at home, which I'll link it down in the description box below and also up on the right hand side corner. So don't forget to check that out. Now we'll draw the leaf with the black color so that when we use a green polish on it, the color will pop out. If you guys try this nail art, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. Nothing makes me happier than watching your results. Now we'll apply the green polish on the leaf. So just draw a line like so. I am using a white polish to highlight the cherry a little bit. All I'm doing is just drawing a line, a small line or a dot. If you find this difficult, skip this step. Either way, it will look cute. Let's apply our top coat for a long lasting manicure, and our cherry nail art design is done. See how pretty it looks, don't you think? And I think I love this combination. Did you like the first nail art design which we just created? If you did, comment below and let me know. Let's begin with our second nail art, which is a newspaper nail art print. First thing first, apply your base coat. Don't skip this step because it protects your natural nails. Now we will apply a white polish. Don't forget to tell me which design did you like the most, the first one or the second one with the newspaper print. We will apply the second coat of white polish. Make sure that your white polish is completely dry before we move to the next step. Now we will need alcohol. In case if you don't want to use alcohol, you can also use your hand sanitizer. I have already created a video on it, which I'll link it down in the description box below, so you can go and check that out after this video. Now all you have to do is dip your newspaper in alcohol and press it onto your nails like so. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure. The print will come out onto your nails. Can you see it? I'm using this red rhinestones for cherries, but you can also use bindi instead of this. Make sure to check out the bindi nail art which I just did 2 days back, so you'll understand what I'm talking about. So all you have to do is just put your base coat or a top coat, a small dot, and place your rhinestone on it. Now we'll use the same technique which we did in our earlier nail art, and we'll draw a leaf now. What do you think about this nail art? Like a rhinestone using it as a cherry, which is on a newspaper print nail art. Did you find this nail art unique? If you did, let me know in the comments below. Let's use the green polish now. We will repeat the same step for our thumbnail. Make sure that you don't apply the top coat over the rhinestones. Okay, so our second design is done. As you can see, the other ones are plain, just with the newspaper nail art. I feel if you use the rhinestones on all of them, it will look tacky. This I think is perfect and it looks elegant. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I'm uploading a new video every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.